Hello and good morning. Today we are going to do a flow that's going to help wake up your body and get you into a place of gratitude. Beginning with knocking on the door of life to bring ourselves some energy and open up the body. Legs strong and sturdy, rotating from the hips, giving your arms momentum as they knock across your lower abdomen and lower back. Your head following your movement, but if that makes you dizzy by any means, go ahead and look straight. On the front of the body, knocking right across where the navel falls, and on the back directly behind the navel. And continue twisting and bringing your arms up right along the collarbone and giving that a nice little knock. This helps to open up the lungs, open up the chest, and allowing us to get those deeper breaths while we're doing our practice. And then working your way up all the way to your upper back. With an open hand, a nice slap across this area to help release any stress or tension that you're holding in your shoulders. And begin working your way back down, back onto the chest, that lung area. And back to knocking across the waist. And slowing down that momentum a bit, letting your arms just start to fall softly by your side. Bringing your legs out wide and your arms up to shoulder height. Exhale as you bend, touch your toe. Inhale as you come back to center. Continuing to warm up the body and open up the hips and the hamstrings. Keeping your back as straight as possible as you go from side to side. If it's too hard to touch your toes, go ahead and just place your hand on your knees. Just listen to your body and see what feels good to you. Exhaling as you come down and inhaling as you come up. One more on each side. And coming back to center. Inhale, float your arms up, and exhale, float them down. Coming up to cactus arms, inhale as you push your shoulder blades together. Exhale as you come into chair pose. Growing as you inhale, open your chest. Exhale, squatting down and elongating the spine. Inhale, compressing. And exhale, elongate. And one more time as you inhale, compressing the back, opening the chest. And exhale, elongating the spine. Floating your arms down. Inhale up. And exhale down. And now that the body is warmed up, it's opened up, we can go ahead and release some of that toxic energy, some of that stagnation by doing some shaking. A soft bounce in the knees and allow the rest of the body to go completely relaxed. So your arms should be moving, your hands, even your head will have a little bob to it as you're shaking up and down. And using your breath to further move that energy out of the body. Breathing in through the nose and letting out a sigh of ha. Allowing that sound to vibrate throughout the body. Twisting from side to side, bringing your arms up and down. You can even shake out one foot at a time. Whatever you feel called to doing to help further release that energy to get things moving in the body. And stop and grab your chi ball. You may feel a slight buzzing sensation within your hands. You're going to inhale as you expand and exhale as you compress. Going with your breath. Really focusing on the area in between your hands. You may feel some warmth. You may feel like two magnets being pulled together. But going with your breath and just bringing all of your attention to your hands. And coming back into Wuji. Feet under shoulder, a slight bend in the knees, tall spine, crown of the head pointing up to the heavens. And your hands hovering, palms facing down, right at your waist. And taking a deep breath in and out. And inhale, floating the wrists up. And exhale back down. Bringing your hands into prayer position right at your chest. Arms come up as your right leg stays grounded and left leg lunges across the back of your body. Back to center as your arms float up and your weight shifts to your left leg and the right leg lunges behind and across. Pairing with the breath, we'll inhale as we come up. Exhale as the arms come down and we lunge behind. And inhale back to center. This movement really bringing us into a place of balance, because for this we need to work on our balance and our coordination. And as we're moving the entire body, making sure we're doing it gracefully and smoothly. Maybe focusing your gaze softly on one object in front of you and concentrating as your breath as you flow through the movement. One more on each side. Exhaling. And inhaling up, exhaling, and inhaling up. Back to center, inhaling, scooping up the center of the body, and exhaling, pushing down. One more time, inhaling up, and exhaling, pushing down. Bring your palms up, facing each other without touching at chest height. Lift your arms straight above your head, turning at the waist with a slight bend in your knees. Opening and expanding your arms out to the side, and then bringing them back to center. Arms back up and rotating to the other side. Slight bend in the knees, arms opening wide. Back up. Stretching the body and bringing it back down to center. Pairing with the breath, inhale as you come up, exhale to the side, inhale back up, and exhale bringing it down the body. Inhale up, exhale down, inhale up, and exhale down. By making these twists in our waist, we are massaging our internal organs. It also strengthens and tones the entire body. As you bring your palms down, you can focus on the center of your hand. There is an acupressure point here along our heart channel called the Lao Gong, which helps to ease anxiety and calm the body. And one more time as we inhale, exhale out, inhale up, and exhale, bring the arms down. Let them float by your side. Inhale, palms up, and exhale, pushing down. Inhale one more time up, and exhale, pushing down. Coming back into your Wuji stance, taking a breath here in through the nose and out. And we will finish up this routine with some tapping, starting on the chest, taking a deep breath in and an exhale out. Repeating after me, I am grateful. Inner eye, for this body that protects and carries me through my day. Outer eye, the earth that supports and grounds me. Under eye, the air that fills my lungs and brings me life. Upper lip, I am grateful to simply wake up and be here another day. Chin, to do the things that bring me joy and make me smile. Collarbone, I choose to be grateful for all the things in my life. Side of the body, even the little things I so often take for granted. Top of the head, for all these things, I am grateful. Stepping your feet together and placing your hands on your lower dantian, and allowing your body to naturally sway like a tree in the breeze. Your feet like the trunk of the tree, grounded and rooted into the earth. Breath is normal, slowly in and slowly out. And if your mind starts to wander, just bring it back to the breath. Feeling safe in your body, feeling grounded in your body, and feeling grateful to begin a new, fresh day. A day filled with endless opportunities and beauty. Taking one last deep breath in through the nose and letting it out with a sigh. Thank you all for practicing with me. Enjoy your day.